Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of window treatments to explore the timeless elegance of wooden Venetian blinds. If you're considering upgrading your windows, wooden Venetian blinds offer a classic and sophisticated solution. Stick around as we uncover the many benefits of incorporating these stylish blinds into your home decor. Let's jump right in. 1. Introduction to wooden Venetian blinds. Wooden Venetian blinds are a popular choice for window coverings due to their natural beauty, durability, and versatility. Made from high-quality wood such as basswood or bamboo, these blinds add warmth and character to any room. 2. Benefits of wooden Venetian blinds. Now, let's explore some of the key benefits of wooden Venetian blinds. Timeless elegance. Wooden Venetian blinds have a classic and sophisticated appearance that never goes out of style. Light control. One of the standout features of wooden Venetian blinds is their ability to control light. Privacy. Wooden Venetian blinds provide excellent privacy, allowing you to enjoy your space without compromising on security. Insulation. Wooden Venetian blinds offer insulation benefits, helping to keep your home cool in the summer and warm in the winter. Durability. Wooden Venetian blinds are built to last. Made from high-quality wood and finished with protective coatings, these blinds are resistant to warping, fading, and cracking, ensuring years of reliable performance. 3. Versatility in design. Wooden Venetian blinds come in a variety of colors, finishes, and slat sizes, allowing you to customize your blinds to suit your decor style. Whether you prefer a rich walnut finish, a sleek white paint, or a natural bamboo look, there's a wooden Venetian blind to complement your aesthetic. 4. Easy maintenance. Maintaining wooden Venetian blinds is simple. Regular dusting with a soft cloth or vacuum brush attachment will keep your blinds looking clean and fresh. For deeper cleaning, a gentle wipe with a damp cloth is all that's needed to remove any dirt or grime. And there you have it, the many benefits of wooden Venetian blinds. From their timeless elegance to their practical features, wooden Venetian blinds offer a stylish and functional window treatment solution for any home. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home decor tips and inspiration. Thanks for watching and happy decorating.